Okay, I'm ready. I've been employed here at Stuller for 11 years. As a customer engagement specialist, I work closely with customers. We do relationship building for customers over the phone and events such as facility tours and training. It feels very special. It actually inspires me and pushes me more to do it even better. Just to see the customers' smiles on their face and inspiring them makes me feel better about myself. It's all about the customers for me. I am Sherry Willis, Customer Engagement Specialist, and I am Stuller.